morning everybody, welcome to my channel. If you'd like to subscribe, you'd be more than welcome. Today I want to show you what's happened to my craft room. After having the baby here for since before Christmas, so that's like 3 and a bit weeks, no, not 3 and a bit weeks, about 7 and a bit weeks. We've had 2 massive prams in here, and we still got 1 pram in here. We haven't been able to get into the craft room at all. People have just been throwing things in here. I've been throwing things in here. This is what the craft room looks like. So as you can see, it just looks like I've put stuff everywhere, and basically that's what's happened. This bit over here isn't too bad. The ribbons are a terrible mess. It's just stuff everywhere where I've been working on different things and just having to leave it because I couldn't get back in, because the whole of here were just prams. We had 3 prams in here because the eye candy broke, so we had to ring for the eye candy to be taken away, and they brought eye candy donkey, I think it's called, or something, or a bugaboo donkey or something, and it was so big we couldn't actually get in here at all. That filled the room. And then this is what my daughter has lent her, so that so we've still got that in here. My daughter's brought loads of clothes for the baby, so that's all in here as well at the moment. And then we've got some patterns because we've been doing some baby stuff, so that's all out. In the meantime, I made a load of jam, and that's not been put away because we couldn't actually get anywhere near to put it away. I had to empty a box so I could fill this box up, take it in the bedroom and make the scrapbook pages. So I had to empty the box onto the floor because there was no room to move anything, because I couldn't get in at my usual boxes which I use there. We came over here, and I've got presents which my other niece has sent out for my older grandson here for me to sort out for him. So those are hidden underneath a piece of fabric, but we've got dolls and bits and stuff everywhere. All the wood, we've been pulling stuff out of the wood, like just grabbing it and pulling it out, so it's all a real mess. And here's my desk, which you can see is just mess everywhere. So I'm going to have a go at getting this a bit tidy so I can actually work. Can't even work on the ironing board because there's stuff all over the ironing board. Yeah, so basically I mess everywhere. Yeah, so I'm going to have a go at doing that today, and then I'll show you the results when I've finished. So here we go. I'm not sure how good this will be because of the light coming in, but this is 2 days later, because obviously, as you know, I can only stand up for about a minute. So this is the room sort of tidied up. I've washed all the sides down, washed everything down, cleaned everything up. I've got this area here, and what I want to do here is I want to use this as my filming area. I'm going to take this piece off so that I can use this whole area here to be for when I'm actually doing the filming of the dolls bit and not the craft bit. I'll keep the craft bit on the desk and do the dolls bit over here. So I want to keep that like that, and I'm hoping to start a new project quite soon. So all this area was reasonably tidy. I have tidied up a little bit more, but the ribbons I've got to go through and sort out. I'm a bit concerned because I'm putting more stuff over in this area than I actually want in this area, so I'm a bit worried about that. There was a little bit too much fabric as well, so I've popped those into the drawer for now, but I'm going to have to go through and just get rid of another load of fabric because it's just getting out of hand now, the amount I've got. My papers are all back in, looking really neat. Unfortunately, the wrapping paper is not that neat. But I'm going to have to look, because there's so much of that again. I think I might have to go through and do another complete get rid of. That's all just like card and paper in that area there, and all different like cards and this sort of stuff. Like this is for printing on t-shirts and stuff like that, photo paper, but yeah, it's all that sort of stuff. And here is all my scrapbook papers. And as you come around, the printer there, everything's tidied up on the side. That's just to go upstairs. It's one of the plasters and one of the dolly's plates. My apron, I've got an area for canning again. All my magazines are sorted out, and all the wood has been sorted out back there. And then in the window, everything has been put neatly in the window, so that's not too bad up there. And I've got the other cutting mat there, which I can use if I do need to stand up, but obviously, as you know, I can't stand up very well. So that's that. All the drawers have been filled back up, but they're not very tidy, but they've all gone into the right drawer, so everything which should be in that drawer is in that drawer, so I'm quite pleased with it. Got my other little supplies of the stuff I use all the time just behind the boards, and I've got Liliana all ready to take the next video of her for this month, so I'm pretty pleased with it, although it's taken me a really long time. So I think it'll be okay, and hopefully I can get down and get some work done now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.